The EMBRACA trial is a multinational, open-label phase 3 trial. It's looking at a specific patient population, namely women with metastatic breast cancer who are known BRCA1 or 2 carriers, and it's got a 2-to-1 randomization of the trial drug talazoparib against treatment of physician's choice, which is an interesting comparator. This is an exciting global trial. The number that calculated needed for the trial is 429 patients to show superiority for the PARP inhibitor. Patients are eligible for the trial if they're known to have breast cancer, and it has to be secondary breast cancer. They have to have had treatment in the past with chemotherapy using 2 commonly used drug families, the taxanes and the anthracyclines. And they have to have had metastatic disease confirmed, and they have to have had no more than 2 treatments for secondary breast cancer.
The first goal of the trial is to see whether we can prolong the progression-free survival of the patients. We also measure the life quality of the patients, because the treatment with talazoparib is basically a treatment with a pill and no other side effects which are typical for chemotherapy. And also in the second part of the trial of the objectives, we also look to overall survival and also look to secondary side effects.
The patients will be well supported. They will have a physician they see regularly, a clinical trial nurse they see regularly, a contact number both day and night, 7 days a week for in event of any problems. Patients in clinical trials get excellent support.
We'll feel patients like this, they feel better cared, and I think that's what a clinical trial can offer. That, you know, it's an interaction with the team here, not only the oncologist, the nursing team, and so on. And patients are empowered really to delivering data in real life for potentially a new drug.
As a research nurse, your role is to coordinate the treatment of a patient on a clinical trial, and you give them the support they need, as well as working out all the logistics of the trial. Each patient will have what we call a core team that will be made up of 1 research nurse and 1 doctor.
I think it's important that women who might be eligible for the trial are referred so they can discuss it and see whether it is suitable for them, and indeed whether they want to participate.
Everyone wants a cure, you know, or a drug that's going to keep somebody that they love able to live with their disease for a longer period of time and have a good quality of life. And I think if you participate in a trial, whether it helps you directly, you will be helping could potentially be helping other people in the wider community. So I think you have that extra that you could help yourself and others.